Hello and welcome to Festool TV. My name is Allan. Let's take a look at the set version of the Festool KS60. The Kapex has been designed to be easily transportable. It is well balanced when using the top handle, and there is also a rear grip to help with lifting. This means you can easily transport the Kapex to wherever you need it. For example, from workshop to construction site. On the KS60, the angle range is huge, from 60 degrees on the left to 60 degrees on the right. You can also use the preset stops for frequently used angles at 0, 15, 22.5, 30, 45 and 60 degrees. The front mitre is adjusted by loosening the rotary knob and pulling the lever up. The saw can now be swiveled to any angle and locked in position. The cutting height is 60 millimeters and the width of cut is 305, which is massive for such a compact saw. A great feature on the Festool Kapex range is the front supporting arms. So the Kapex can be placed right against the wall, perfect for working in small enclosed environments. Another clever little feature is over here. By pulling this lever up and side shifting to the left, you have now disengaged the preset stops. The saw can now move freely over all the angles. On the gauge, there is also helpful pointers to gain perfect half-degree accuracy. Remember to lock the dial off. Just under the saw here is a supporting arm that can be adjusted to the working surface to help stabilize the saw. Do you sometimes struggle with long lengths of material? There are table extensions by which loosening the lock can extend out. The set version of the KS60 has feet here that raises the bed level to the same height of a SIS1 sustainer, which helps to further expand the support base of your material if needed. There are convenient anchor points on the right and left, back and front to secure the material with a supplied clamp. You can adjust the rear fences to better support the material, or they can be removed. Trenching could not be easier with the Festool Kapex. Pull the trenching lever forward and adjust the cutting depth by turning the lever. With micro control, you can turn clockwise to reduce the cut depth and anti-clockwise to deepen the cut, with full adjustment capacity of 60 millimeters. Push the lever back to return to normal, full cutting operation. The rear bevel can be adjusted by loosening the star handle at the back. The saw will bevel over to 45 degrees on the left side. If you press the green release button, the Kapex will go over to a further 47 degrees. When brought back, the Kapex will stop at 0 degrees again. To bevel over to the right, press the green button, and this will open the cutting angles on the right up to 46 degrees. The angle indicators are on the right and the left. To return to 0, go past 0 and then return from the left. The 0 stop will engage again, and remember to lock the Kapex off once you have set the desired angle. Using the correct saw blade for the type of material is very important to achieving the finest, most accurate result safely. The key to changing the blade is in the cable winder at the back, and here is the spindle lock. To work more accurately and efficiently, on this side of the Kapex is a green button to switch the shadow light on. This will help you to accurately align the blade with your dimension markings. Bisecting angles is no problem for the Kapex. On the set version, you get the Festool angle finder. You can easily bisect internal and external angles. For internal angles, set the bevel into the corner, open the wings so they nest up against the sides, and lock the angle off. Holding the bevel against the back fence, you can swivel the Kapex around to align the two reference marks on the base of the Kapex with the edge of the angle finder. For exterior angles, you can extend the wings out and lock the angle finder to the angle, and then slide the wings back in, and then again set the angle finder on the Kapex. All the beautiful design features on the Festool KS60 combine to give you an extremely compact, professionally presented power tool with, for its size, has a mighty cutting capacity and accuracy. But all the genius really comes together when combined as part of the Festool system. There is a full complement of accessories and consumables, extraction systems, and Festool service. An intensive support package to back you up. With Festool, systems get it done. Thank you for watching Festool TV.